In today's data-driven world, information is the new currency. For business analysts, mastering Power BI is essential. It's not just a dashboard tool, it's a complete data intelligence solution. Power BI helps you connect, model, visualize, and share data effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, learning Power BI is a game changer. It turns data into actionable business insights, bridging the gap between numbers and decisions. With Power BI, you can connect to countless data sources and create compelling visual stories. You'll move from just reporting what happened to explaining why it happened. Power BI enhances your core BA skills across all knowledge areas. It allows you to monitor KPIs and project metrics in real time, making data-driven governance a breeze. Visualizations spark deeper discussions with stakeholders, leading to better insights. You can track requirements and manage them with clarity, thanks to Power BI. It's perfect for strategy analysis, helping you validate recommendations with real metrics. Power BI empowers you to evaluate solutions and measure their impact effectively. Unlike traditional BI tools, Power BI is user-friendly and designed for business users. You can create dashboards in minutes without needing technical expertise. This self-service capability sets you apart in any organization. Power BI strengthens communication with stakeholders through intuitive visuals. It transforms complex data into easy-to-understand insights for everyone. You become a strategic advisor, helping leadership visualize the why behind the numbers. In a competitive job market, Power BI proficiency is a must-have skill for BAs. Employers are looking for analysts who can present actionable insights confidently. Learning Power BI complements your BABOK knowledge beautifully, giving you an edge. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools, enhancing collaboration. You don't need to be a data scientist to use Power BI. It's designed for you. Most tasks are point and click, making it accessible for all BAs. Power BI empowers continuous improvement, allowing for real-time performance tracking. You can monitor compliance, measure effectiveness, and track savings effortlessly. Learning Power BI future-proofs your career in business analysis. It prepares you to lead the next wave of analytical transformation. So if you want to grow as a modern BA, embrace Power BI as your strategic partner. In the age of data, can you really afford not to learn Power BI?